Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance between the points 0, 5 and minus 5, 0 is. Now we know distance between any two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So we can simply put the values here in order to find the distance between given points. So that is 0 minus of minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square. Now minus of minus 5 is plus 5, so 5 square plus minus 5 whole square is again 5 square. So that is equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to 50 under root of 50. We can write it as 5 root 2 units. Let's see. Yes, answer is option B.